All right, good morning, everybody. This is a new week, fresh new week, the 6th of May, 2024. So we are starting a new week. This is the second week of May. The market last week was a very successful week. Last week, I would say, was one of the best trading week that we've had so far. We had a winning day each and every day. It was a winning day last week. And then we climaxed it with NFP that we did on Friday. If you haven't checked the NFP that we did, if you haven't checked how we got the trade that we did last time, you go to our YouTube channel, go to my YouTube channel and see it over there. Rich Nick 92 at Rich Nick 92. That is my YouTube handle. Go over there, check it. See how we made $689 in a minute. Over here, this one's over here, right? The one that we put over here, $689 in 1 minute. That is what we did. All right. So very quickly, if you want to go to this is the channel. Looks like this, yeah. This is the channel over here. That's the handle, BridgeNeck2 over there. Go subscribe, follow, watch. This is the one that we did. This is the point that where we took the trade and how the NFP came out. It was a very successful day. And then, of course, as well, you can watch and learn some of these trading strategies that are here. All right. More videos coming soon as well. It's on the plan. All right. So this is analysis that we did. We did this analysis even without considering the fundamentals, which is the NFP. And this is the NFP move that happened. Yeah. This is what happened. So if you want to know how we got this, because I entered at this point and went all the way to this point, got out at that point, right? Made $689. And all of this happened within a minute. All right. So this was all fundamental. This was all technical. The analysis over here that you see was all technical, but then the fundamentals came in. Now the thing is, we could have, even if we followed the technical that we did and the analysis that I sent in the morning on Friday morning, you still could have gotten the entries. You see, this was supposed to be possible buys above 2302. So even if you had a buy stop over here, even when the NFP came out, you still could have made money. All right, you see, still could have made money. Still could have hit TP1, TP2, and almost half of TP3. All right, still after that, after the NFP pressures were out, the market pushed down, and actually, even if you had a sell stop, still could have entered into profit and hit tick profit 1 on the sell side. Right. So this is how the market looks right now. Definitely, we're going to do a fresh analysis. We're going to do a fresh analysis, but before we do that, like we always do, we have to check on the fundamentals and see what we have for the week. For today is on a Monday, so Monday the 6th. As we look at this, we have no very active USD news. All of these are low impact news. This will be just some FOMC member speaking and another FOMC member speaking and loan officer survey, nothing much. Today, let's just look for the whole week in a nutshell, and then we'll concentrate on the Monday. But we've seen at least Monday, we have nothing to worry about in terms of fundamentals, yeah? Tomorrow, if you trade the AUD, you wake up in the morning very early, you trade the AUD, you have the monetary policy and the rate statements coming out, high impact. Still that's as much. USD, nothing much tomorrow as well. Wednesday, just one medium impact for the USD, the 10-year bond auction that has a lot to do with stocks and currencies. It's also going to be a French bank holiday on Wednesday. On Thursday, we have some GBP, very nice GBP news at 2 p.m. So you could trade the GBP USD, GBP JPY over here. Then we have the 30-year bond auction, of course, again at 8 p.m. On Friday, we'll be having at least the consumer sentiments. This one is the one that will move them. So basically, this week is not very active in terms of fundamental USD. The USD is not really fundamentally driven as much this week. So we're going to measure a lot on the technicals. Yeah. You see now we have a full review on what to expect in terms of as far as fundamentals are involved for the USD this week. So now we are dealing with Monday. Monday, we have nothing. So we have a very good go ahead to continue and do a very nice technical analysis over here. All right, let's do it. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, we do what we do, how we started. We remove every drawing over there. I'm going to expand at least the area over here, just like that. We start from monthly. All right. Please keep in mind what we said the last two recordings that we've done. Keep in mind what we did the last two analyses that we did. We said if this May candle closes below the April candle, then the whole of March candle will be retraced. And if it doesn't, it's going to fill in this week. It's going to do a week fill. So the May candle is going to fill up the whole of April candle, right? Okay, monthly, we're here for the sake of the new people. This one we call monthly resistance. So we're using price action based on market structure. MS over there, we go to weekly. Weekly, we still have our support area over here. All right, weekly. There we go. Monthly support over there. Daily. Daily, we have a support that we cannot ignore over here. This is where the market is right now. So that is definitely a support, the daily support. For the resistance, we have one over here. Sorry. We have one over here, the resistance. Daily resistance over there. Okay. We have a daily resistance. We go down to H4. Just gonna adjust this a bit. Go to H4. We have a new area over here. Over there. All right, H4 resistance. H4 resistance. Then we have H4 support. So yeah, the H4 support is a bit somewhere here. I'm gonna consider this as the H4 support. Okay. H1, go down to the H1, down to the H1. All right, we are here. This is H4 resistance, H4 support, which happens, okay. H1, we are over here, so we're going to consider where the market is right now, over there. This as the H1 resistance. And then the support, of course, is down here. Oh, sorry. The support is over there. H1 support over here. 30 minutes. This is what we have on 30 minutes. This is what we have on 30 minutes. This is what we got. Nice. This looks really awesome, actually. Wow, the market looks really nice today to trade. You know what we cannot ignore? We cannot ignore where this NFP came to. NFP brought itself up to this point. And if you pull it, you see there's a reason, you see? There's a reason why NFP was unable to break that area. So we cannot ignore that. I'm actually going to put something like that. Nothing just happens. Things are made to happen. Nothing just happens. So don't just say, oh, NFP pushed up to this point and came back. No, look at the left side. You see, it's an area. It was a support, and then it was broken, became a resistant area. Okay, and that's why the market came all the way to that point, got rejected, and we're pushing back down again. All right, so here we are. Should we be looking for very nice buys? We're going to be taking the buys from above this point. So I'm gonna put this one at least where the bodies are, and then I'm gonna use no, not you. Need your neighbor. The line, yes, over there. Great. So those ones are over there. You know what? Yeah. I'll make this a bit nice like that. Yeah, I want to make it like that. So H1, this is a H1 resistance. Let me pull this one down and over there. So if I'm doing a buy, I would want, of course, stop loss will be just below here. I would want to see a buy, a candle break above this week, a candle break above this week, and then we'll do possible buys above this point. Above, what is the number? 23.15. Let's say 23.16. Let's say 16, where's 16? Yeah, 23.16. Above 23.16. We're gonna do TP1 over here. And then we're going to be TP2 over there. Okay. Okay. That looks like that. Should we have a break above these other points over here as well? We're going to expect to at least push the markets up. Should we have a break above these other points? Should we have a break above this point, then we're going to continue to push all the way up if we have more pressures to push in. Okay. Right. If you're taking a sell, looking for a sell, first of all, we have a very nice selling place, right? Just put below that wick. I think I really like the sell, the way the sells. No, but remember the overall market is bullish, yeah? It's the overall trend. So even if I say I like the sales, it doesn't mean that the market is bearish, okay? Just means that I know the risk management that I'm going to employ, even if I'm going to take this sell. It's not something that I'm looking to hold for days. It's just a quick trades. Sells below the 2307 area. Yeah. And this one all the way down to take profit over here. TP. It's gonna be TP1 or TP whatever. TP1, yeah, and TP2 maybe, probably, if we have good pressures to push. But remember, it's a Monday after the NFP. Yep, the market may not really have much to do today. After the NFP, the market may not really have a lot to be done. Yeah. I'm looking for these buys. At least we have that area. Yeah. Yeah, the buys should move all the way up to this point, but of course, dependent on the pressures. If there will be pressure in the market, if there will be enough volume, sorry, let me not use pressure. I'm not really dealing with physics. This is finances. We talk about volumes, contracts, and capitals, all right? If there will be enough volumes, the market may push this way. If we get a good bullish break and over here, we may, this is a quick place we could do a quick buy from here to this point, here to this point. Should we have a break above this point as well, I would want to enter here, 23.29, and continue all the way to 23.44 over here. All right. So for buy, this is if we get a bullish move right now, it's going to be a continuation. So this one can go maybe today and tomorrow if we don't have enough pressure. If we have the market that is moving this way, then we may have today, tomorrow, and Wednesday probably just a bullish move. But of course, we always do analysis every morning. So we usually do a review every morning. Okay. Right. So this is where we are. Buys over there, sells over here. Let me just jump very fast on, there's something I've seen on 15 minutes. I don't know if we did something like this on 15 minutes and say, this is the 15 minutes support. So this, the cells below this point, they are a bit not very, from 23.12 to 23.08, that's like 5 points, 50 points. Oh, all right, you know what? Yeah. Yeah, or if yeah, we could have a sell actually. We could have a sell below this point. 15. I've gone down to 15 minutes. I don't go to 15 minutes that oftenly. I usually stick to 30 minutes. But 15 minutes, if you're going down to 15 minutes, you may get yourself a quick trade over here. You may get yourself by the break below this line, the 2311.7 or 0.5, 2311.5 line. You could do a quick sell to 2308, and then you watch to see if it breaks below and continue with the sell down. All right. Okay, so this one will make me now have to adjust this. And when I adjust this, of course, you know, we usually come in with safe sells and risky sells. All right, so we'll do this one, a risky. And this one will be the safe cells. I usually try to do my analysis and cover everybody, cover those who, the people with the big risk appetite and people with a small risk appetite. Of course, if you have a big risk appetite, you can start your sales from this low. If you want to wait, if your risk tolerance is not that high, you wait for the safe sales and go down with them. Yeah. All right. So in one picture, this is what we have. 1 hour. In one picture, this is what we have. Possible buys above this point, possible sales above this point. All right, great. Right, keep an eye on this. If should we get those breaks, you can pick up the sales and the buy orders, and we go on to hopefully hitting take profit or gaining some money out of this market today. All right. All right, great. That's it for today. You take care of yourself. Please remember to subscribe for more content. We are planning to put in more content, educational content to be coming on the website, on the channel. So keep an eye if you want to learn, and if you want also mentorship as well. I do offer mentorship. Please reach out to me, and we will plan that as well. All right. Have a good day. Take care and great week ahead. Let's see what the market has for us. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. All right. Bye.